Oh, sketchiest hill I've ever ridden down on dirt. Can you go sexy? Oh, shit, that's slippery, bro. All right, this is gonna be the hill climb right here. And there's a cop right there. Oh yeah, we're in Laconia, baby. Whoa. Cause yeah, this thing is like straight downhill, bro. I can see everything. What is going on, people? We're going down the sketchiest hill I think I've ever ridden down in my life, and it's gonna be so cool. Yes, we got the truck right there. We brought the trailer down there, and we are gonna go get dinner real quick. But this is like all dirt, and it's straight downhill. So we're gonna see how well this thing handles and grips and shit. I gotta do it, so we'll see. We're gonna take it nice and slow. Look at that sunset. Whoa. We're gonna take this nice and slow here. Cause yeah, this thing is like straight downhill, bro. Sketchiest hill I've ever ridden down on dirt. Nonetheless, you just got to take it nice and easy and just cruise with it. I don't know if the camera's really showing how deep this hill is, but that hill was deep. And like the corners on it are tight as shit, and like the area spacing here, look at this shit. I feel like I'm off-road racing again, but then another corner. Like I literally feel like I'm off-roading again, back with my dirt bike. But it feels good. I guess it wasn't that sketchy. I honestly think it's like one of those things where you look at it and it looks scarier than it actually is. But wait, hold on. This is still coming up. Okay, yeah, hold on. It looks way scarier than it actually is. And if you're like tipsy or anything, this thing will creep the up on you. Like I'm just kind of letting the bike itself just go with it. I didn't know when we booked this, we didn't know it was like this. We thought, they said it was a little bit of gravel, but we didn't know it was like a hill like this, just straight up. So it's very interesting because yeah, I can feel the tires like giving here. Woo, there we go. But it seems very peaceful. I mean, just cruising in first, just letting it go down the hill. So far so good, and I think we just hit it right here, and here's the ending. Boom. Beautiful. Well, that was fun. Oh yeah. Okay, so that was a little bit sketchy, but we picked up the girl at the bottom of the hill. I just wanted to make sure, see, and this is where my ego never gets in the way. I honestly admitted to everybody that hill looks sketchy as anything. And I told her to ride down with her friends, and then I'll pick her up at the bottom of the hill because I need to test out how I feel on this hill before I put you in a situation where I'm not comfortable. And honestly, I'll own that. 10 plus years later, when you see a hill that deep, I'm not gonna lie, that honestly looked a little bit sketchy. And I'm not gonna put her into a situation where I'm not, like, I'm uncomfortable, and now it makes her feel even more uncomfortable because she doesn't know how I feel about it. So at the end of the day, sometimes it's worth taking that step back and looking at it through, I'm not going to be overconfident. I'm going to actually make sure that I understand how I feel so I don't make my passenger uncomfortable as hell. And that's sometimes how you have to look at it, and openly look at it instead of looking like a tool and thinking that you can just do anything. Like, I know even going back up that hill, like my truck was having a problem towing the trailer up that hill when we got there, and that's what sketched me out, was because if I'm going up that hill and it's like this, I don't want to have to give the bike so much gas where I spin the back tire out and then we both lose traction, aka me and my girl in the back. That causes us to slide or move out of the way, where we could lose the bike, and then she's higher up than I am, so she's probably gonna fall first. I'm not that confident. Well, I'm not confident, but that I can do it, but I don't want to be so confident, over egotistical, to be like, oh yeah, I can do this in my sleep, and then God forbid we have a problem on our first night here. Oh yeah, we're in Laconia, baby. We out here in Laconia, by the way. So there's gonna be a lot of videos to come from that, but we're going to get dinner right now, so it's sadly gonna pour tomorrow. So I'm gonna have to wait until, like, I'm not even talking about just like light drizzle. I know you hardcore riders are like, let's get out there and get it. It's gonna heavy downpour tomorrow, it says. So sadly, I'm not riding tomorrow. But then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, hell yeah, I'm gonna be out there Main Street. Cause yeah, look at that view. I don't have the 360 set up because yeah, we're just going for dinner. I just like the little bit of protection in a new area. So, but other than that, I'm gonna be riding tomorrow with the 360. Not tomorrow, the next day, Friday, Saturday with the 360. Hopefully I can get you guys some good ass views of the bikes, the environment, everything. But for now, that was just my little like down. I'm gonna do it again when we're going back up, or when I'm going back up, because I'm not gonna put her in that situation, because I'm smart and I'm not gonna put her in an uncomfortable position where I may have a problem, but I don't want her to feel uncomfortable as anything. So that's my little PSA today. I don't care how much experience you have, always take your experience and use it to your advantage. We're actually in Bristol right now, so we're like staying up on a hill, like all the way up there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. So we're like all the way up there. So like, this to me is the best type of environment. I'm in short sleeves right now, and it my girl's wearing a dress right now, so her legs are out. Like, it's so nice out right now. It's like that cool little 70s, like high 70s. It just sucks it's gonna rain tomorrow, honestly. I was so hyped to ride this whole weekend, but now I'm just like, all right, well, if I gotta take one bad day, I'll take it if I get the rest of the days to ride. Honestly, this is like our test out to see, because we're going like a group of like 9 of us, but I'm the only one with a bike up here. So this is our test to see if we like this. If we do like this and we have fun, then we'll do it again like every year. Because why the hell not? If we have fun, let's do it again and again and again. Maybe get a different house this time, so like one closer to Laconia, because this is still like a 30-minute ride to Laconia, which isn't bad at all. Like, I'm actually excited to do it, but to go there every day, like we got here today at like 4, so, and we kind of did a little drinky and just kind of hung out the afternoon, just settled in. So it's kind of like a lot to go all the way over there. So today we're just kind of taking it easy, and then tomorrow, well, not tomorrow because it's gonna rain, but the next day and the day after, we're gonna hang out at Laconia, Wares Beach. We're gonna go to the Speedway. We'll probably see a bunch of stuff. So I can't wait to show you guys this, because this is from my POV. This loud ass bike. Hey man, some people are coming back for me, so if you like me, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna be around. I'm gonna just keep showing y'all what I like to do, which is ride and do fun shit. My honestly just counting down the days till my girl can ride. We're going on a little date night right now. So this is a good use of our time. It's a vacation plus, you know, I get to show y'all some fun, good scenery. Like, I hear this is the best riding in the world. I haven't been up here, but so far, I am enjoying the out of this riding. Honestly, I think this should be on everybody's bucket list. Even if you don't go to Laconia, you should definitely come up here just to ride. I feel like this is definitely worth it. We were driving up and we were like, damn, this is gorgeous. I just wanted to take it all in. We were cruising, going like 50 down every road. It was like a 4-hour ride and it was just perfect. It honestly just flew by. Like, it did not feel like 4 hours. It honestly felt like an hour and a half, 2 hours. Like, it was just so peaceful out in the country roads. Nobody bothering us. It was amazing. So, if you have ever been up here, I would definitely recommend doing it. I can't wait to even just go down to the main strip with this badass with all the upgrades I've done. But we'll see when we get to that day. For now, we're gonna go grab some food. We're settling in, and we are all good. Can you go sexy? Dude, I honestly love riding at night with this light. It's so bright. I can see everything. Yeah. Like, it's so bright, and it's not even my high beam. It looks like a high beam. I know, but it's not. It's my 4-ways. There's 2 of those on too. That's why. It's, but watch, this is my high beam. Yeah. Honestly, my high beam looks like my low beam. And there's a cop right there. I just like ripped that. I was like, oh, I saw the cop come out of the thing and I was like, oh God, please don't do it. Don't do it. Oh shit, that's slippery. Bro, that's like ice skates. Ew, there's gas on my shoe, bro. I can feel how slippery it is. Oh shit, he just pulled him over. They're kicking up rocks at me. But this is the hill climb, people. I guess we're going dirt central. Let's see it. Dirt climb. Oh, this is such a nice ride up here. All right, this is gonna be the hill climb right here. This is what I just went down at the beginning, so let's see if I can hit this shit real quick. Somehow my f***ing front fender hit the f***ing crash bar and it made a big ass lump, so I think it was on here. Anyway, we're gonna try and sneak through here. But let's see if we can hit this hill. This is all sand and dirt right here. Let's see. This is like a hill climb, but my personal one. Let's see it. Take this corner. Oh shit! Shit! I didn't know you were gonna stop there.